The first baby bird looked down at the ground. He got scared and couldn't make a sound. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird was too shy, shy, shy. The first baby bird got out of the nest. The next baby bird looked at the rest. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird said, "Oh my, my, my."
The second baby bird flew way up high. The next baby bird then gave a sigh. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird said, "Too high, high, high."
The third baby bird at last went out. The next baby bird then gave a pout. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird said, "Oh, why, why?" The fourth baby bird went down to eat. The last baby bird gave a long, loud tweet. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird wanted to cry, cry, cry.
Mama bird said, "It'll be okay. You'll be alright, and there's a way." The little baby bird then started to sing and flew off, flapping his wings. All the baby birds with mother in the lead flew through the sky quite well indeed. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," and all the birds flew to the sky.